Today we take a look at the Anona Holo Smart Lock and Keypad set. So let's go over exactly how to install this device. The first thing you do is use the supply tape to lock down the front of your lock. Then you're going to remove the two long screws on the rear of your lock, also removing the rear portion of your lock. Now after this, you're going to use the plate that is supplied, and you're going to make sure that when you apply this, you do your best to center it around the center portion of your lock. Then you're going to choose the very important adapter that aligns with your lock style, and you're going to place this right in that center portion. Then you will align the wording along with the logo on your smart lock. Then you will expand the flaps on the rear, apply this onto the adapter plate, and close those very same flaps, locking it into place. Then you'll remove the battery flap, pull out the lock, and place the two inner batteries in first, followed by the outer batteries, and replace the plate. There is a red reset button if you need to get the light to flash again. Then you're going to get into the app and you'll go ahead and tap on your lock, set up the Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, you'll go through the lock calibration process. Now this process is simple, it's about 4 steps, and as soon as you're done, your lock is ready to go. So enjoy the conveniences of owning a smart lock, and if you need one, you can grab one via the links down in the description below. One of the most convenient smart home products is a smart lock. And even better is one that does not replace your lock completely, allowing you to use your same key for entry. So you never have to worry about low batteries or a down Wi-Fi signal, as your key still works. This lock is designed as the perfect entry-level solution for people new to smart home security. It's a straightforward installation with simple operation. 5 easy ways to lock and unlock, an easy 3-minute installation without replacing the deadbolt, and personalized management to your security. No Wi-Fi bridge is needed, allowing remote control and real-time status checks. You can also set up to 50 anti-peeping virtual passwords, and if multiple incorrect codes are entered, lockout protection mode disables the keypad to prevent unauthorized entry. Not only does it completely integrate with your current deadbolt, it also comes in 2 stylish colors. And the benefits of app controls. You can lock and unlock your door from the app from anywhere. And you'll get real-time notifications whenever the door is unlocked, locked, or even if it's left open. You'll get an abnormal door status detection alert. If your door is left open for too long, you'll get an alert. You can unlock the door for guests while away, or give them temporary access via the keypad, where you can set up short-term or one-time use passcodes. And everything is recorded in a real-time activity feed with timestamps and method used to lock or unlock 24/7 coverage. There's even an auto lock feature you can enable or disable at any time for your convenience. As soon as the door is shut, it will auto lock itself. Or you can set it to have a delay, like 5 or 10 seconds before it locks after the door is shut. This lock is also Matter enabled, allowing you to take advantage of Alexa and Apple HomeKit. 4 AA batteries is all you'll need for power, and you can expect 4 to 6 months of usage in standard Wi-Fi mode, or up to 8 months using low power mode. You can run out and grab an Anona Smart Lock now via the links down in the description below. You can also add in the keypad for your convenience and security, and easy access via a smart lock without changing your lock.